Hi there, Sam here, and today I want to talk about 5 tips that you can use to improve your credit now. The first thing that you can do to improve your credit now is pay your creditors on time. I know that sounds silly, but it's everything in having good credit. Paying your bills on time is the most important step to having good credit. Number 2, you want to pay down your balances. Okay, your utilization of your credit is a big impact on your credit score. So you typically want to keep things under a 30% utilization. For example, if you have a $300 limit on your credit card, then you don't want your balance to exceed $100. This will have the maximum impact on improving your credit score. Number 3, another great way to increase your credit is adding a trade line, okay? The more active trade lines you have that are in good standing, the better. So, if you're looking to increase your credit score, having access to more available credit is part of that process. So going and applying for a credit card with your bank, or checking out some of the options that are online. Another thing is maybe going and seeing your local jeweler. Maybe you got a sweetheart you need to take care of, and going to your jeweler, they're very good at giving people credit. So adding another trade line and paying it on time, that is another way to improve your credit. Number 4, ask for a credit increase on your existing credit trade lines. So let's say you have a credit card you've had for a year or 2, maybe even only 6 months. Give them a call and ask them if you can increase your limit. They're gonna ask you what number you wanna increase it to. So, try to use some moderation there. If you have like a $600 limit, maybe ask to go to 1,000. If you have 1,000, ask to go to 2. But by increasing your available credit, that's another way to increase your credit score by showing that these creditors trust you enough to give you access to more money. Number 5, now this is one that I don't think a lot of people are familiar with, but it's becoming an authorized user on another person's credit account. So for instance, let's say you have a parent or a brother or a sister that has really good credit, and they have a credit card through Chase or American Express that they've had for several years, and they have a really high limit on it because they're in good standing and have great credit. By asking them to add you as an authorized user, that's a great way to improve your credit, because that credit trade line is going to show up on your credit history. So all that positive history that person has established with that creditor will automatically show up on your credit history, adding to your credit profile and increasing your overall score. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the information. I hope that it's helpful. And if you know someone that needs to see this, please share it with them. Also like it, comment below if you have any questions. And that's it. So Sam Lends Money, AKA The Fast Lender. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.